Hi guys, it's Dasha from Elai.io, and today I'm going to show you how to generate personalized video messages using Elai, our Zapier integration, and Google Spreadsheets. Personalized video messages will help to target your audience in a more engaging way and boost your sales. Before we start, you need to prepare a couple of things. The first thing is your Google Spreadsheet table. Here you need to put some variables like name, company name, client's address, email, or any information you will need in your personalized messages. Next step is to prepare a video draft right in Elai Builder. Your draft should include some variables that correspond to the data in your Google Spreadsheets table, like here name and company, and here we have the same. Next step is to follow our Zapier integration link and click Create a New Zap. Here we need to set up a trigger. In our case, this is Google Sheets. And next step is to choose an event. We choose New Spreadsheet Row. Every time you add a new row to your Google Spreadsheet table, the new video will be rendered right in the video section here. Okay, click Continue and link your account here. Next step is to connect your spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet is Leads database example, so we need to scroll a bit down until we find our spreadsheet, and we need to choose the worksheet here and click Continue. Next step is to test the trigger, and then we need to set up an action. In our case, we need to choose Elai, the newest available version, and pick an event. In our case, this is render video from the template. So again, every time you add the new info, the new row in list database example, the new video will be rendered automatically right in Elai Builder. Click Continue, link your Elai account, and next we need to connect our video ID here. So we need to click here and choose our video from the available below. Personalized video example, like this example of the video, ends in 25D, so we can check it here. Like we have the same video ID here, it ends 25D. Okay, so this is the right video, so we've done everything right. And next step is to insert template data. In our case, the template data is name and company. So we can copy name while choosing the corresponding data from our Google Spreadsheet table, like John, and company here, the same step, and choose the corresponding data from here as well. So John from Microsoft. Click Continue, and finally you need to test the action. Zapier is sending a video to Elai. You need to publish your Zap to turn it on and go to the video section here. The new video is being rendered. Once your video is rendered, you can find it right here in the video section. When you click on the video, you will find some updated client's information from the Google Spreadsheet table. Let's watch the generated video right here.
Hello, John from Microsoft. Nice to meet you. Thanks for your interest in our service. I've been so excited to tell you about the new product update we've released recently.
Every time you add a new row to your Google Spreadsheet table, the new video will be rendered in the video section automatically. Thanks for watching.